Hi everyone, this is Rahat from Shopidevs. Welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to add and edit a Shopify theme. First, you have to log into your Shopify store, and from the dashboard, click on Online Store, and from Themes, you'll see the current theme you have that is live on your store right now. And when it comes to add or change a Shopify theme, you will have different options. You can go for free themes. So click on explore free themes. Here you will find all the Shopify free themes that you can use to your Shopify store. These themes are great. So if you are planning to use a free theme, you can check any of them. But I will suggest you to check the Shopify theme store where you can find free and paid both. This is the Shopify theme store. Click on all themes. As you can see, you can use this filtering option to find the theme you are looking for. So if you click on paid, it will display only the paid themes. You can also find the themes based on the products you will have on your store, marketing and social media features, the industry you are doing business, based on the layout of the store or the design. For this video, I will add a free theme, and that will be debut. In this page, you will find all the information related to this theme. See the features. You can also find reviews and support and documentation of the theme. You can also check the presets. It has two. And it has an option to see the demo store. So let's see. You can also use this feature to see that how it will look on mobile devices. This helps to decide whether you will use this theme to your store or not. So let's try this theme to our store. Click on try theme. As you can see, we have the debut theme here. So if you add a theme from third-party website, you will also find the theme here. Now we have to publish our new theme. So click on Actions, and from these options, click on Publish. So now, as you can see, our current theme has changed. Let me show you some options here. You can rename the theme, duplicate it if you want. You can also download a theme file. If you are a developer, you can edit the theme through coding. You can also edit the languages if you want. So now I will edit the theme. So click on customize. All right, this is the home page of our store, and this is the basic layout for home page in this particular theme. And on the left you can see home page, and under this the sections. So basically we will edit these sections to turn this page to a new one according to our own preference. And below the footer you will see theme settings. This will give us additional options. Those are not only applicable for this particular page but also applicable for the whole website. So let's start with theme settings. As you can see, under the theme settings there is colors, typography and others. So let's see one by one. Click on colors. You will find all the colors which will be used in your website, and you can change them based on your brand. And if you change color here, it will be applicable for your whole website. Let me show you. I'm not going to change each and every color here, so I'll change something that will give you a clear idea how it works. So alright, you can see a button here. So if I change the color of button, you will see the change instantly. So as you can see, the primary color for buttons is black, and let me change this to red, and you can see, so thus creating any change here will impact on your whole website. So keep it like before. So let's move to the next section, that is typography. Here you will find the fonts for different sections like headings and buttons, body text. So if you want to change the font family, you can click on change. Here you will find all the fonts available here. A lot more. But if you have any particular font in your choice that you want to use, you can just type here. For example, type Poppins and click on the font and click on select. So you will see the change in the text, and you can also do the same for body text. I'm not going to do it. And you can also change or customize the base size, and then the search. Here you can show the vendor name and the price of your product page. And the next section is social media. You can see the sharing options, Facebook, Twitter and Pinterest. If you want, you can uncheck any of them. If you don't want to share your post to Twitter, just uncheck. And you need to put your social handlers link here for Twitter, Facebook, just like this. The next one is favicon. It's the icon shows in the top of your website. Take a look at this, the icon of Shopify. You can see here it's very small. This is called favicon, so you can select your favicon here in this section, and then the add to cart notification, I'm not going to change anything here, and currency farming format, again nothing to change. And for this checkout, I think it will be better I go to the checkout page. So from this drop down menu you can go to any page you want to edit the page. So go to checkout. So this is our checkout page, and now see the difference. You can add a banner image here. You can call it background image as well. So click on select image. The page should be changed. See, now we have a banner image here in our checkout page. Then you can change this logo. We don't have a logo, we have a name. We can change it. See, now we have our logo in the banner page. You can also change the alignment or the position of the logo and the size. You can also add background image for these two sections. I'm not going to do it. You can also add plain color. Let me show you how it looks. See, so thus you can change the background color to a solid background or an image. You can also change the form fields to white or transparent. If you use a background image, maybe you love to use a transparent form field. And you can also have some freedom to use special typography for headings and body. And again, you have some other options for color. So thus you can use the checkout from the theme settings. Let's back to the home page. So that's all from theme settings. Now we will start editing our home page. Let's start with the header. Click on header. Now you have to upload your logo. As I have used this before, my logo is here already. I'm selecting it. And now you can change the alignment. I'm changing it to the centered. I think it looks better. You can also customize the width of your logo, but I'm happy with it. And then you can edit the menu. Click on change. Here you can create a new menu or select one from the existent. I'm not going to change anything here. And then you can see the announcement bar. Click on show announcement. As you can see, something is changed here. This option is very important to display a message to the viewers. So you can change the message here. Let me type something else. And you can also link this message to a page. Here you can change the color of the text or the bar, but I think it looks great. So I have completed editing this section. Now I'm moving to the next, that is image with text overlay. First, I will add a background image. Here you can change the alignment. I will go for, I think it looks better. And you can also change the layout of the image, like full width or fixed width. I think full width looks better. You can also change the height of the section. It looks okay. Then you can change the text size. I think large will be better. Yeah. And you can change the heading and the main text area. I'm going to change the heading first. And then I'm going to remove this text section. And I will add a button here. And link it to a page. All right, you can see a button is added here. So this section is also completed. Moving to the next. So here I will also add an image first. I'll go for this one. And then I will keep the alignment like before and change the heading. And I will not change this text here, but I will add a button here also. This section is also completed. Moving to the next. I'm going to ignore this section, so I'll hide it. This is very important section for any online store. Here you can showcase your best product. So I'm going to add a collection here. So click on select collection. I have already created one. Select. Here you can change the products per row. You can increase the row or decrease. But as I have only 3 products in this section, So I will keep it 3. And you can also increase or decrease the number of rows. And then another section, that is again image with text overlay. I'm going to hide this section as well. And the next section is testimonials. Here I can only add a heading. I'll do that. All right. And the next section is good for showcasing your products. As you can see, you can only add images and put link to each of the images here, but I'm not going to use this section, so I'm going to hide it. And the next one is footer. In this theme, there is very little flexibility when it comes to edit the footer. So as you can see, you can make the change here. If you can show the payment icons or not. You can also change the color of the background and the text. You can also decide whether you would like to show the country and region selector and the language selector. Moreover, you can add blocks if you want in the footer section. So I think we have done editing the home page. And in the similar way, you can also edit the other pages of your website. This is the product page, and you can see the sections here. You can decide whether you will like to show the quantity, as you can see, and name of the vendor. The name of my store is showing here, and like this you can easily edit everything here. This also goes for collection page, as you can see. You can make the change in layout, like as you can see, it's a listing format. You can make it to grid format. See the changes. You can um, change the number of row, so make it 3. It looks better. So thus you can edit any Shopify theme very easily, as you don't have to use any kind of coding. Only you can drag and drop different sections and change the information, add images, and that's all. All right, this all for today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, keep watching our videos to learn more about Shopify.